Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out here, but take what works for you, leave the rest. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Virgo. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. Alright, Virgo, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Virgo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Virgo. Alright, somebody wants to send a message. Okay. Alright. Oh, they want to say something to heal your broken heart. What's this? Queen of Swords in reverse, King of Cups in reverse, Six of Cups in reverse, upright, and the Five of Cups in reverse, thankfully. Bottom of my deck, Virgo, I do see the Ten of Cups, and that makes me smile. So, alright, I think things are going to be alright because center of my spread, I have healing of the broken hearts. At least that's the goal here. So, let's see what's going on. And let's start with some dialogue message cards here, Virgo. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other now, what that would be, and then we'll do your reading. Virgo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Virgo and their person. Okay, and let's take a few more, Virgo, from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, Virgo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Virgo and their person. Okay. And a couple more from here, Virgo. Virgo and their person. All right. Good to go, Virgo. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, it's really insulting when you try and control the situation or withhold information. You're underestimating my intuitive abilities, my connection with the divine, and must be forgetting how connected we are on soul level. You know that I'll always know what's going on because even your higher self tells on you. Your coded, cryptic messages and failure to answer questions drives me up the wall. If you're worried the karmic is going to see, just call me and tell me the effing truth. It's the least I deserve. I just want to see you and begin our life together, but these financial challenges are currently stopping us from being together. Who would have thought that something as simple as money could keep people who love each other this much apart? I wish that you were here or I was there. I wish that we could be together anywhere. Whether together or apart, I feel a prisoner of your heart. You're all I want, my everything. I don't want to be free, for we are chained together in love. I crave your sexual healing. I fantasize about pleasing you every day. I'm on fire, waiting for you. Please make time for me. It hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. Recovery takes time. Please have faith in me. All right, Virgo, these were some of your messages. If they were resonating, let's start your reading. I'm going to start, as always, with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a blessing, or a message. Retreat. Well, maybe somebody wants to go on a retreat with you, Virgo, or maybe somebody is retreating here. I don't think so. I have a feeling somebody is coming back. Somebody wants to come back and spend some quality time with you, or vice versa. So let's see what's happening. Spirit, what's this Page of Wands with the Page of Cups in reverse? There is so much love here, my God. But somebody just... Look at this. Ace of Cups, Page of Wands. There is so much love here. Somebody is wanting to express it, but maybe not being able to express their love, or they haven't yet. Maybe they don't want to do anything foolish. They don't know how to bring an apology or something, but they do really want to come in correct. The Emperor is in the upright. That means somebody just wants to now make a decision and do the right thing. Ace of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Ace of Wands in reverse. Yes, somebody's been feeling very lack of motivation, feeling left out in the cold. They just want the stress and tension to be over, remove their blindfold, feeling very unloved, feeling very, very unloved. They want to communicate. They want to communicate with this Queen of Swords, I think, who's turned her back and is very kind of powerful right now. But they do want to come in and heal this broken heart. Three of Swords in reverse. Yes, if there's any kind of barrier between the two of you, they want it dropped. In fact, they want to come in with sweetness, with an emotional offer. So why are you turned away and so strict, Queen of Swords? What's going on? You want to say something here? Queen of Swords says, I'm very disappointed. I wanted them to make a choice. I wanted them to choose me, and I'm feeling very, very disappointed and sad and looking at all the wasted time, energy. They haven't yet made a choice, it seems, and they are not offering me what I deserve. I want the Ten of Cups for us, and they are just not making that choice. And whatever they give me is very little, and I'm always left stressing out and crying and being by myself and not being able to sleep at night. And now such bad memories have been created in this connection. My person has been just emotionally, I think, just manipulating me. They haven't really come forward to say anything. They're very selfish, they're very self-centered, and maybe it's just time to shut the door on them. But the problem here is somebody wants to come back now. Six of Cups, Spirit. Who's coming back and why? Yes, here they come. They want victory with you. They want to come back. They want to come back to get victory once again with you. What did I do? Have I shut the recording? 1 second. Okay, no, we are still on. Okay, so yeah, they want to have victory with you, Virgo. Let's take another card. What's the Six of Cups, Spirit? Six of Cups. Six of Cups. Six of Cups. They want to come and tell you everything. I think whatever games they've been playing, maybe they were in their ego, pride. I don't think so. But in case they were, they want to come and open up about whatever happened in the past. They don't want this. They don't want this to end. They see their person as very, very beautiful, single, and probably quite successful in their own life. And they want part of it. They want this Wheel of Fortune to move in a positive direction, and they want their person. Simple as that. They don't want to have any more regrets. They don't want to look back in any kind of sorrow or waste any more time. In fact, they seem to be coming around here. Five of Cups, Spirit in reverse. Oh yes, they want their Empress big time. They know who they want. They know who they want. They're feeling quite devastated right now because maybe this Queen of Cups has turned their back on them. They're not getting equal give and take right now. They're feeling released. They are feeling dropped at the moment because their person, who's the Empress now, could be very strong and maybe holding back and concentrating maybe on their own life. But they do want to come in and now put in work. They do want to put in work and offer not the Ten of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles. So yes, overall energy was the Ten of Cups. Let's see what that is. Spirit, why is the Ten of Cups the overall energy of this read? Here, reunion. Reunion is on the cards. Maybe it's time for you to go on a romantic holiday, Virgo, very, very soon. All right, so that's all I have for you, Virgo. They're coming in sweet. They're coming in sweet with an apology, with an offer. They're very bored and lonely without you because they now know Nobody else compares. You are their perfect half. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Virgo. Till next time, then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.